Sometimes the unfamiliar brand deserves some attention. This is exactly how I feel about this pressure washer from Tutuluck. Let me show you an unboxing and then I'll show you how this pressure washer compares with my DeWalt and Yamatic pressure gun. First of all, this pressure washer comes in the most generic box ever. There's none of that fancy unboxing experience going on here, but sometimes this is fine because it's what companies do to try to cut costs to the customer. At first glance, it looks just like any other generic pressure washer on Amazon. However, there's something special with this one. It comes with this extremely buttery smooth swivel, and I have to say that my DeWalt and Yamatic does not have this feature. Although I do have quick releases on the DeWalt and Yamatic, the Tutuluck pressure washer comes with it already built in, so I don't need to purchase additional hardware. They do give you a nozzle with a green rubber protector, which is very nice. Tutuluck gives you most of the necessary hardware, including these two pieces for your pressure hose. However, they didn't include the single piece that connects to your pressure washer, which is a bummer because now you'll have to buy that single piece. Other than that, let's get this pressure gun connected and give it a test. As I stated earlier, I'm going to compare it with the pressure washer that comes with my DeWalt. Also, I'm going to compare it with this Yamatic short pressure gun as well to see which one is the best. They'll all be using the same nozzle, same hose, same pressure washer. So let's take a look at how dirty the car is right now so that we can compare it later. There's dirt all over the side of the car and in the wheel. There's also a lot of dirt on the front of the bumper as well. I've already been using the DeWalt for a while, so I know how it feels. It has a great powerful and even flow, as you can see here. Now let's take a look at the Yamatic. It also has a nice steady powerful flow. Before I go to the Tutuluck, I want to show you something that Yamatic and the DeWalt cannot do. And that is this. As I pull the hose farther and farther, all the tangles and kink would cause my pressure washer to tilt and fall down, possibly damaging my pressure washer. Not with the Tutuluck though. Take a look at how the hose twists to accommodate for kinks in the pressure hose. Isn't that awesome? That is extremely important because it helps to preserve the life of your pressure hose, and it also makes it much easier to use. I don't have to spend half of the time washing my car while battling kinks and tangles. I feel like this is the single most important thing that sets the pressure gun apart from my other two, that is somehow more expensive. What about the foam cannon? Well, there's no surprise here, they all seem to work pretty much the same. They have the same flow and the same foam. My foam is a little runny, but that's probably because I didn't do a good job of mixing the soap with the water. And here's the DeWalt, and here's the Yamatic. I'll go ahead and let you enjoy this time lapse while I share my conclusion. So overall, the Tutuluck stacks up pretty well against my other pressure guns. However, I think what really made me like the Tutuluck is the buttery smooth swivel. Sure, the other two guns have the capabilities to swivel, but it's just not as smooth as the Tutuluck. It doesn't turn well, and I have to fight it most of the time. So overall, this is a really good and affordable pressure washer gun to get. I would highly recommend the Tutuluck, and I would even say that if you only have the budget to purchase only one, then go with the Tutuluck for its buttery smooth swivel. The last thing I would say about the Tutuluck is that the packaging could be a little bit better. The box was a bit small and it didn't seem like it fit well. The box was damaged upon arrival, but thankfully there was no damage to the gun. So if they can work on the boxing and packaging, I think this pressure gun would be a total win. Overall, I highly recommend it.